I think this guitar needs tuning. I love guitars and I love fabrics. I wish I had some cool guitar fabric where I could make a really cool guitar quilt. Wouldn't that be cool? Ooh, there's the doorbell. I better go see who it is. Oh wow. Look, it's a box from QT Fabrics. Come on inside and I'll show you what's in it. All right, let's open this up and see what's in it. No, we don't need that. Oof, no way. It is guitar fabric. Look at these cool guitars. It's a panel with guitars all over it. Wow, dreams really do come true. And look at this gorgeous, this would probably be a border print with all of these gorgeous guitars on it. Records and albums and musicians, all kinds of fun stuff on that one. That's a great border fabric or a backing fabric. Ooh, look at this one. This one has all kinds of different guitars on it and records and microphones. I see electric guitars. I see real rocky star guitars. I see banjos. All kinds of different guitars on there. Wow, this one has all kinds of things on it. This is more of like a band fabric. It's got records. I see pianos. I see flutes. I see drums, saxophones, all kinds of musical instruments on this one in addition to the guitars. So we've got a whole band going on that one, and it has this beautiful tan, kind of a circular background. Ooh, I love this one. This one's on a tan background and it has all kinds of really colorful guitar picks on it. And here is a beautiful tone-on-tone, kind of pinkish color that if you look really closely, it actually has like some rock musicians on it, which is really cool. When you get up close to it, you'll be able to see those musicians in the fabric. I hope that's showing up on the camera. And then in that same print, we have it in this beautiful teal color that also has the musicians. So it's a tone-on-tone fabric. But when you look at it up close, you actually see the musicians in the fabric. And here is that fabric, that beautiful circular tone-on-tone gray fabric. Really, really pretty. This will make a nice background or backing for a quilt. And here is that same circular pattern, but in a deep purple color. Purple and maybe a dark purple, almost black. It's really, really pretty. And then we also have that print in this beautiful copper color, kind of an orangey copper and black. Really, really pretty. So I'm Reed Johnson from QT Creatives, and I'm the designer for Blue Bear Quilts, and I've designed a quilt pattern with these fabrics. It's called Rockstar, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. The fabric line is from QT Fabrics, and it's called Rock and Roll Fantasy, and it was designed by the Morris Creative Group. Now, my pattern that I've designed is called Rockstar, and this is what it's going to look like. And so now that I have the fabric, I'm going to start working on this, and I'll create videos of me making this quilt pattern. Now this fabric, the Rock and Roll Fantasy fabric, let me show you that beautiful panel fabric again. This is part of the Rock and Roll Fantasy line. You can see all of these little guitars in this panel piece. And this fabric, the Rock and Roll Fantasy fabric, is going to be shipping to shops in November of 2024. So that's when quilters will be able to go to their quilt shops and buy it in November of 2024. And shops have until August of 2024 to order this line. So if you really like this guitar Rock and Roll Fantasy fabric line, be sure to contact your local quilt shop and ask them if they're getting Rock and Roll Fantasy with QT fabrics. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this unboxing video of the Rock and Roll Fantasy fabric that I received from QT Fabrics. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.